Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, I'm Clarence.
Hello, and I'm Kaya.
Okay, I'm Clarence.
I'm Kaya.
And today we are going to be making
Noodles!
And what kind of noodles, Kaya? Did I not prep you on this?
No.
We are making fried noodles, like chow mein, but Shanghainese style noodles, fat noodles. And here are our ingredients.
Garlic, ginger, carrot, red cabbage, noodles.
So Kaya, as in life, the first thing is to be prepared. So that means we have to prepare all our ingredients.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do with the carrots is I'm gonna julienne them very finely. And to julienne means to make them into little slivers. I'm gonna julienne the cabbage. I'm gonna finely chop the garlic and the ginger. And then I'm going to boil the noodles to a perfect al dente. Because we want to cook them so they're not so cooked that when you actually fry them in the end, they become perfect. Just bite it. You see how it's chewy?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it means, al dente. Okay, noodles are done.
This is a short time.
Well, we are done prepping all of our ingredients. So the first thing we're gonna do is cook in stages. Stir it around a little bit. Go ahead and add the carrots. Now we cook these down. Just a bit of salt. White pepper. Go ahead and mix it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here, okay? Now let's cook the cabbage. Okay, stop. Good job. Stir it around. So I think the cabbage is done. Now we can basically...
Noodles?
We'll do the noodles.
They're sticky.
They're sticky?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna rinse them like this. So they stop sticking together. Basically, all we're gonna do for the noodles is use soy sauce, which is mushroom soy sauce, it's very dark, and some sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah, because it adds a little sweetness, it rounds out the flavor. Sounds about...
Very dark.
Yeah, it's dark.
I need some sugar. You love sugar. Sweet soy sauce.
Mmm.
Can I?
You wanna try some?
Yeah.
Here, taste it from my finger. You think a little more sugar?
No, not at all.
Okay, now I'm gonna add the noodles. Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Oh! You look nice and brown.
Okay, I think these are getting nice and hot. Seen steam. So shall we add the carrots? Pretty.
Look at it, added some color.
Okay, how about the cabbage? I turned it down to like low heat because I don't want to burn the noodles. Yeah, I think they're done.
Oh, yeah. And I need like a full teaspoon.
Whoa, I made such a mess. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let me try. Mmm. So easy, so delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Thanks for sticking around, people.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna go eat some noodles.